Hey loves, it's your girl Amachundi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, please don't make it your last by hitting the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. It feels so good to have you here and welcome on board. Alright my loves, so as you can tell by the title of this video, I'll be sharing with you how I do my everyday simple ponytail using just few products. Alright love, so my hair is washed and moisturized as you can see. Alright, so the few products I'll be using to achieve this ponytail hairstyle is I'll be using this Eco Style Professional Styling Gel. Yes, it's almost finished. And I have this other gel, this black gel from Kaale Hair Wax Regular Black Dark Paloma. Yes, so I'll be using this as well, and a little bit of Shine and Jam conditioner gel extra hold. I'll be using this to achieve that. Not rubber band, I don't know what they're, elastic band, so I'll be using some of these as well. Alright my love, so I did this myself. It's a DIY I made using just few items. This is a strap to secure the hair, the pony, yeah, and also a net inside. This is a net. I couldn't get black net, that's why I used blue to do this. So if you're doing yours, please, I'll recommend you use black, but the blue is well secured. If it's like this, you won't be able to see the blue from inside. So this is a DIY I made myself. So this is going to be my ponytail, and then if you want to know how I achieved this, please leave a comment in the comment section and I'll make a video on this. Yeah, so stay tuned and let's dive right into the video.